Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the next mythical epic coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the next mythical epic was just leaked and it looks pretty disappointing, so let's go ahead and look at it. So this is found by First Mate Philip, and this is what it looks like. I don't like it very much. I'm assuming this is going to be a water type. It has some, I'm guessing this is a spyglass. It has another one up here. It has some mud right here, and then it has this kelp. I'm assuming that this is just the head because you can barely see this right here, which I'm assuming is a body, and then this is a neck, sort of. We don't yet have the spine yet. We still don't even have the spine for the Mythical Epic that just came out, Buzzra. We don't have the Mythical Epic hero post yet, but I will be on the look for that when it comes out. I looked and it's not there, so I don't think that this looks very cool. It shouldn't be a counterpart because it looks like no other Mythical Epic except this 1% big hex. So I'm assuming it's not going to be that. Well, that was actually called Blast Star, not Big Hex. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Let me know what you guys think of this epic in the description. Why is a bunch of people frozen in place? So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.